Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Telegram downloaded file not showing on Android. So if you also want to fix Telegram downloaded file not showing on Android, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So you might be facing this problem because your application is not updated. So the first thing that you need to do is update your application. For that, simply open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Type in Telegram. Now over here you'll be able to find the application for Telegram. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that your application will be updated. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try checking the permissions of Telegram application. For that, simply open app library of your device. Now find the application for Telegram. Once you find the application for Telegram, all you have to do is long press on it. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of Telegram. You'll be able to see the information regarding Telegram over here. You'll be able to find the options like notifications, permissions, storage and cache, mobile data and Wi-Fi, etc. Simply tap on the option permissions that you can see at the second. Now you'll be led to the app permissions interface. Make sure the relevant app permissions are allowed. Make sure to allow the permission for photos and videos. You can see over here it's already allowed. Also make sure to allow the permission for music and audio. If it is not allowed, simply tap on the option. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see two options over here, allow and don't allow. Simply tap on the option allow. Now the permission has been allowed. After that, your problem should be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is try clearing the cache of the application. For that, simply go back. Now in the app info interface, you'll be able to find the option for storage and cache. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find your storage informations over here. Here you'll be able to find two options, manage space and clear cache. Simply tap on the option clear cache that you can see right over here. Now the cache of your application will be cleared. Now you should be able to find the Telegram downloaded file. So that is how you fix Telegram downloaded file not showing on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.